لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة لك والملك لا.
Welcome to the Media Center of Indian Hajj Mission, Makkah. The news read by Abdul Aziz. Today's headlines. Till today, 84,664 Hajjaj-e-Kiram reached India safely after performing Hajj. In last 24 hours, 2,927 Hajjaj-e-Kiram moved to Madina Munawwara from Makkatul Mukarramah. And in last 24 hours, 3 Hajjaj-e-Kiram have expired. Now the news in details. Yesterday on 19 November 2012, 21 flights have departed from Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, carrying 5,913 Hajjaj-e-Kiram who have reached India safely after performing Hajj, out of which 8 flights have departed from Jeddah International Airport to India carrying 2,344 Hajjaj-e-Kiram who have reached India, and 13 flights have departed from airport of Madina Munawwara carrying 3,569 Hajjaj-e-Kiram. Till now, 287 flights have departed from Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and carrying 84,664 Hajjaj-e-Kiram who have reached India, out of which 210 flights have departed from Jeddah International Airport to India and carrying 64,669 Hajjaj-e-Kiram, and 77 flights have departed from airport of Madina Munawwara carrying 19,995 Hajjaj-e-Kiram who have reached India. In last 24 hours, 2,927 Hajjaj-e-Kiram moved to Madina Munawwara from Makkatul Mukarramah. Till now, 54,009 Hajjaj-e-Kiram moved to Madina Munawwara from Makkatul Mukarramah. As of now, 6,095 Hajjaj-e-Kiram are in Makkatul Mukarramah and 33,952 Hajjaj-e-Kiram in Madina Munawwara. In last 24 hours, 6 Hajjaj-e-Kiram have reported for cash loss, out of which 1 Haji at Makkatul Mukarramah and 5 Hajjaj-e-Kiram at Madina Munawwara. Till now, 1,243 Hajjaj-e-Kiram have reported for cash loss and they have been provided relief. In last 24,184 Hajjaj-e-Kiram have availed of medical facilities. The details are as follows: 541 Hajjaj-e-Kiram at Makkatul Mukarramah, 1,301 Hajjaj-e-Kiram at Madina Munawwara and 12 Hajjaj-e-Kiram at Jeddah. Till now, 4,91,482 Hajjaj-e-Kiram have availed of medical facilities of Indian Hajj medical missions. In last 24 hours, Hajjaj-e-Kiram have expired at Makkatul Mukarramah. May Allah rest their souls in peace and grant them Jannah. Ameen. Till date, 188 Hajjaj-e-Kiram have expired, out of which 132 Hajjaj-e-Kiram at Makkatul Mukarramah, 31 Hajjaj-e-Kiram at Madina Munawwara, 3 Hajjaj-e-Kiram at Jeddah and 22 Hajjaj-e-Kiram at Maqam-e Mashayikh. All the Hajjaj-e-Kiram had natural death. And that's the end of this news bulletin. Allah Hafiz.